Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been looking forward to this day because I have been dying to try out magnetic lashes. I have seen them all over social media and I just had so many questionable thoughts because I feel like first when they came out, it was kind of those two magnetic lashes that you had to sandwich your real lashes, and then I saw some tutorials and things on that and it just was a mess. I had some friends try it and it looked like it was a lot harder to use than you would think. And so I was just very hesitant, I just wasn't sure, but now it's been a while since it's been out now and they have created the magnetic eyeliner for the lashes. Now that is something that I can get on board with because I feel like you can control where the liner goes, and then if the lash just goes right on the liner, that just sounds amazing. So even my sister Rachel recently said like she can't do the false lashes and the glue, she just can't get into it, but she is very good with liquid liner. So if that's all it takes, some liquid liner and then pop those lashes on, sounds amazing, right? But then we have all these questions on like, are they going to stay well? What if there's a stiff breeze? Like, is it gonna last all day? We've got some questions. So I was inspired to give it a try myself after seeing Tati Westbrook's review on the LashLiner system. I got two different kinds. I got one that, these are the Seattle, and this is the Los Angeles. So these are the lashes and then it comes with the magnetic liner. So when Tati was doing it in her video, she had a pro tip where she thought it would actually work better if you put your standard eyeliner on yourself. So I just used the Kaja liner already to line my eyes because she said that this eyeliner is a little bit sticky, tacky almost, so it's really hard to get the perfect eyeliner with just using this. And so the directions on this eyeliner says, using the included brush, apply a thin line of magnetic eyeliner to the eyelid just above the natural lash line. Allow to dry for 30 seconds. Repeat and allow to dry for 1 minute. So it sounds like you have to do 2 coats of eyeliner. And when the liner is tacky but not wet, hold the lash with small magnets towards the eyeliner. Lash will magnetically connect to the eyeliner. If lash does not connect well, add another coat of liner and allow to dry until tacky. So she said that it actually works really nicely where you put your standard eyeliner that you really like so you get that clean line, and then you just put some of this liner on top. So you're just really using it, almost thinking it as the lash glue. And now I'm going to put on this. I can get it out. All right. Ooh, it's pretty. Matches the cases. I don't know if you gotta shake this or what. I'm guessing no. Okay, the tip is kind of like one of those paint tips. All right, here it goes. I'm just going to put it on top of the liner that I already have going. It said to set for 30 seconds, so I'm going to follow the directions and set my timer for 30 seconds to wait for them to dry. It does feel quite wet and heavy on my lashes, but let's just wait for the 30 seconds to go by and then we'll put another coat on. And then it says to put another coat on and then wait for a minute for it to get tacky but not dry. I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute and then I'm not going to start it yet. I'm going to put another layer on. All right, starting the timer for a minute. Okay, so we've done the 2 layers, waited that minute, and it said to let them get tacky but not dry. So it definitely feels tacky but not dry, and it does look like it's wet, but it's not. I guess that's just the finish of the eyeliner. It does kind of give you that wet eyeliner look. So I thought I would go in and try Los Angeles because these are the more dramatic pair. And it looks like it comes with little extra little lashes up here, I guess in case you get a bald spot or something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and take the lash off. The lash really easily comes off because it just is magnetic in there. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. All right, they are on. So that was pretty easy to put them on. They do feel a little bit heavier than regular false lashes, probably because of the magnets. But I don't know if you saw, I did have to kind of peel this one off and kind of reposition it a little bit, but I definitely felt like it's a little bit of a tug to pull them off because it's magnetized. So I thought I would give them a little bit of a wind test, similar to what Tati did in her video. I brought my hair dryer here and I'm gonna start with low. Some light breeze. All right, they feel pretty secure. Hey, they're still there. All right, I'm gonna put it on high. Well, they did not budge whatsoever. Wow, this is crazy. All right, it has passed the wind test. I was definitely blowing in the wind there and they didn't move at all. That is really, really awesome. So I am going to go ahead and go about my day. I have some brunch plans. I'm going shopping with my girlfriend later, and I will kind of see how they wear throughout the day and, you know, make sure that they still hold up. If they do anything weird, hopefully not. But so far that was very easy and I'm liking these lashes. They're nice and fun and fluffy. And yeah, I will go about my day, go through my plans, and I will check in with you guys later so we can do final thoughts and see how they last through the day. All right, I'll see you guys later. Hi everyone, it's been about 10 hours since I saw you last. So I've had these bad boys on for 10 hours and we're doing pretty good. So this morning I put them on and then I went out to brunch, did a little bit of walking around, and then I actually came home and took a little nap. So they even lasted through my nap, had some dinner, and then here we are. So all in all, I'm really impressed. I'm very excited to continue to use these. So my only couple things is that I did notice, I don't know if you can tell, they did start to kind of lift in the inner corner a little bit. Because it is in the inner corner and it started to lift just because, you know, my eyes are watering throughout the day and whatnot, I did find that the eyeliner in the inner corner was wearing down a little bit, hence the eyeliner is wearing down. There's nothing for the lashes to be sticking on. So I think next time what I will do is maybe put the lashes on a little bit farther away from the inner corner. So maybe hopefully that will not be that much of a problem. I think this is a perfect product for somebody if just messing around with the glue and all that is just not your thing. But if you are good with liquid eyeliner, then you just put that liquid eyeliner on, pop those lashes on, and you're all set. And you can kind of take them on and off as well. Something else to note is that they are pretty heavy feeling. So I don't know if I'm just not used to wearing ones that are so full. These are really pretty and they're very fluffy lashes, but I think they are fuller than what I am used to. So did feel really heavy, and then also having those 5 tiny little magnets probably added some weight too. So just something of a heads up if you're somebody that isn't super used to wearing strip lashes and you want to give these a try, just know that it might take some getting used to. They feel a little heavy. But overall, I think that it's really cool and I really like it because you don't have to wait for the glue to dry and mess with them slipping and sliding around and all that. So I thought maybe something that would be kind of cool that we could try together is I'll go ahead and take these lashes off and try on the other pair that I have. Well, that felt so weird. You could definitely feel the 5 little magnets like pulling away. Actually, there's 6 little magnets that are pulling away from your lashes. I'm going to Google a little bit about how I can care for them, but I'm guessing just make sure that they're clean. And it's kind of cool because it just kind of, boop, just pops right back in the little case. So I'm gonna just pull the other side. Just felt the little magnets get pulled from my lashes, but I don't see any of my natural lashes on here, which is really nice because sometimes the glue does pull some of my natural lashes. Okay, so the eyeliner is still on. Doesn't really look like the lashes did pull some of the liner off. I'm going to give this pair a try. This is the Seattle pair. They're a little bit less dramatic. Boom. All right, those are on too. So they definitely didn't work as well because when I pulled these other pair of lashes off, it did take away some of the liner. So these aren't staying quite as well, but they're still on there. And these are definitely a more natural set. Alright, so I definitely think this is worth a try. If you are somebody that wants to try natural lashes, but the glue is just not your thing, this eyeliner and popping them off is so nice. I wore them throughout the day, and I even took a nap in them and everything, and just had a little bit of lifting in the inner corner, but that happens even when I use the glue, because if my eye, leaks a little bit, the glue lifts as well. So I feel like the inner corner thing is kind of a problem no matter what kind of lashes you use. Hopefully this review was helpful for you. I had a lot of fun trying these out and I'm very impressed. Even past, the wind test, and it's very easy to use and they're fun, and I love that you can reuse them over and over again. I believe I read online that you could reuse them up to 40 times, but I think if you take care of them, you can really stretch the life out on them. And for the liner a little bit went a long way, so I think you can stretch how many uses out of the liner as well. I am interested to try other brands. This is just the brand that Tati tried and recommended, so had to give her recommendation a try first, of course. Thank you so much for sticking around today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think of any products or anything like that that you want me to try out and film a review for you, let me know in the comment section below and I would be happy to give them a try. Let me know if you try any magnetic liner lash situation and let me know how you like it. I also am open to hearing about different ones that work out for you. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. But thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!